Today, let me show you how to make beauty makeup homepage. It has all the functions in a typical business homepage, such as bulletin board, login form and contact, etc. Let's get started. Let's install the Astra theme. Go to the Appearance menu and click Add New button. Search Astra, install and activate it. Let's go to the plugin menu and install the Elementor. Search by Elementor. Install and activate it. Go back to the plugin menu. Let's install the Starter Template plugin. Search Starter Template. Install and activate the starter template developed by Brainstormforce. Run the starter template menu under Appearance. Select Elementor in the Builder selection. It's a plugin that we installed. Now there are many demo sites. Click the All checkbox. You can specify the search conditions. Choose Free, which can be used for free. Then click again, and check Business. Please scroll down. There is a makeup artist. Click to see the preview screen for this theme. It consists of 5 menu pages including Home. Click the Import Complete Site button. Don't change the checkbox options. Click the Import button. Then, some plugins and data files are imported. Let's go to the front end and check the theme is installed well. In the home page, please check if there are any broken images. About page as well. The Services page has icon images and slides. Check the Portfolio and Contact page. All pages are fine. Let's check which plugins are newly installed. Elementor Header Footer and Block and WP Forms Lite are installed. Let me explain in detail when these plugins are used. Let's change the site logo. Go to the Astra Options menu under Appearance. Click the Upload logo. We can change the logo by selecting the upper right logo. Search for free logo maker on Google. There is a free logo design.org. Let's make a logo here. Write your company name. Choose a logo design you want. After editing the logo, click the Save button. Click the free download button. Enter your name and email address to receive this logo. You receive it by email. Click the Change Logo button and adjust the logo size. Then upload it. Change the next logo as well. Click the Publish button. Check the logo on the front website. From now on, let me modify the home page. Go to the Page menu. Click the Edit with Elementor link under the title. If you've seen the WooCommerce video, you're probably familiar to it. Select the text you want to change. You can edit the text in the left window. After editing, click the Update button to apply. Check it on the front-end website. Let me edit the title. Change the description as well. Select the button. Let's set the link of this button to go to the service page. Please enter the /page permalink. Change the button text as well. Make sure the button go to the service page on front end. The next button link to the contact page. By clicking on the contact menu on the front end, check the page permalink. Copy the permalink and put it in the link. Make sure it has changed on front end. Let me change the background image. Press the blue button at the top of the frame. Click the Style tab on the left. There is a background image. Before changing the image, let's check the current image size. Execute Inspect on the mouse right-click menu. Check the background image of the current section. Image size is 1920 by 1080 pixels. We can see the image size by hovering over the link. If you don't have your own image, you can download some images from pixabay.com. Move the cursor to the image and click the Choose Image button. Select your image and press the Insert Media button. Please click the Update button on bottom right. Make sure it has changed on front-end page. Try swapping some images like this. Pick what you think is the best. Move to the second section. Select an image. Go to the Style tab and change the image. Let me show how to change the second picture. Edit the text and buttons on the right, like first section. If you want to change the design of the button, select the button and go to the Style tab. We can change text, background color, border radius, border line, etc. If you don't like the changes, refresh the page without saving it. Hover means, when the mouse over action occurs, you can modify some style when hover. On the third section, check the current icon size. We can check it in the media library. It's a 64 by 64 pixels icon. Let me show you how to change the first icon. Click Choose Image button and select the newly created icon. To modify the hover action of these icons, select Hover in the Hover Animation checkbox. Choose the action. Make some changes and pick the best one you like. Opacity is a function to adjust the transparency. If you want to 30%, you can set it to 0.3. For 100%, set it to 1. You can edit the rest of the sections in the same way. Move to the Review a section. Let me show you how to link Facebook button. Select the Facebook button. Next the icon image, there is a link, currently shop. You need to put your Facebook link here. Click the Update button. Make sure it has changed on front end. The last section is footer. The footer cannot be edited like other sections when clicked. Select the header footer and block menu under Appearance. There is one footer. Click Edit with Elementor link to edit the footer. You can modify it in the same way as before. But the quick link column is slightly different. To edit, click the item title. Then the detail option shows. Let me show you. Link the service to service page. Let's change the phone number on the main menu of the site. Go to Astra Options under Appearance. Choose Header option. Move mouse pointer over the phone number, then the Edit button shows. The editing interface looks a bit confusing. You must click the phone number on title bar. We can change some options, such as text and icons. Scroll down, we can also edit the icon color and size. Let me change the link to go to the contact page. You can also add new icons here. Click the Add Item button to edit. When you press the Apply button, an icon is added. The new icon is in the new line. Let me delete it and add it on the right. Click the Add Widget button under the Astra list icon. Select the Astra list icon. Click the Add Items button. Select an icon. Change the icon color. Press the Apply button. Make sure it has changed on front end. Next, let's change the About page. In the Page menu, open About page with Edit with Elementor. We can edit it just like Homepage. But in this page, let me show you how to copy the entire section. Select a section and open the right-click menu. Select the duplicate. The title section copied. Copy the photo section in the same way. Let's change the image of the duplicated section. The background image of the right part as well. Change the title text of the duplicated section. In this way, you can copy any design of the section. It is also available from other pages. Next page is the contact page. This page has a contact form and a Google map. To edit the location of the map, click the Edit Map button and enter your address and the location. Save it and test it on the front-end page. The left side column is for inquiry. We can edit the title here. But, as you can see, the form cannot be modified here. There is a WP Forms shortcode on the left. For modifying this form, we should move to the WP Forms plugin. It is a plugin that were installed when importing the template. Go to WP Forms in the menu. Select Contact Us form. Let me delete the contact number. Press the Save button at the top right. Let's check it on the front end. You can add or delete fields like this. Go to the Settings tab below. There is a Notifications menu. When visitors send a message, this is where you set up what email address you want to receive. The Confirmation tab is where users set the message to be displayed after sending a message. Let's test on the front end. Enter test message. When we press the Send Request button, a confirmation message shows. Go back to the Notifications menu. Let me change the email address to receive. Enter admin under bar email in braces. The inquiry will be sent to the WordPress admin email. To add an email address to receive, as you can see, you can separate them with a comma and enter an email address. Save it. Let's test on the front end again. As you can see, check the email has arrived. If the site domain and mail domain are different, it may be treated as spam. So please check the spam mailbox as well. In the same way, the service and portfolio pages can be edited. Let me install a plugin one more. The plugin name is Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Install and activate this plugin. This plugin has many useful elements. Let me create a login and registration page with this plugin. Go to the Page menu and create a page. Before proceeding, activate the WordPress sign-up option. Go to the General menu under Settings. Check Anyone can register and save. Go to the Page menu. Press Edit Sign Page. Click the Edit with Elementor button. Add a new section. Scroll down the menu on the left window. There are essential add-on elements provided by Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Find the Login Register form. Add it to the new section. Save it. Let me remove some menus and add sign page on the main menu. Check it on the front-end page. Nothing shows. It is because we are currently logged in status. When we logged out, we can see the login form we added. Click Register link. Check the registration form shows. Go back to the sign page edit. Let's change padding for the login form section. Let's make this page the same design as other pages. In the contact page, copy the top header section. We did it many times, so let me show you fast forward. Don't forget to change the top title. Let's change style this page. Add an image column on the left. Let a login form on the right. Let me download some images from Undraw. There are a lot of good illustration images on this site. Search by login and download some images. Upload the downloaded image. Turn off the Hide All Forms from Logged In Users option. Make sure it has changed on front-end page. After logged out, click General. We can change some options on the login form. For example, let me change Sign Up link text. For using CAPTCHA, we need a Google API account and key. After that, register the given key value in this plugin settings. It takes some time, so I skip this task. Registering an API key is not a difficult task, you can do it yourself. Let's modify the design of the form on the right. It's better to change the background color to white. Choose a color below the background. Change the color. Let me remove the shadow of the login form box. Set all of them to 0 in the container box shadow. Make sure it has changed on front-end page. To distinguish between the left column and the right column, it needs a separator line. Select the image column. Select the border as solid. Click the link on the right. Then up, down, left and right can be set separately. Set the right border to 1. Change the color. And save. Make sure it has changed on front end. And change the background color of the left image column to white. In the login form option, we can specify the redirection page after login. Let's set it about page. Let's test on the front end. It works well. To edit the registration form, click on the Register Form field. We can add a field, but only fields provided by WordPress default are available. Let me add a website field. And set the title to be invisible. Make sure it has changed on front-end page. There is an option to register user email. This is the place to set the contents, welcome email after sign up. Let me delete some text. Let's test the user registration. Signing up, logging in. Both signing up and logging in work fine. The membership registration welcome email content has also been changed successfully. Let me add a bulletin board page with a form plugin bbPress. Create a Q&A page from the page menu. Go to the plugin menu. Search board and install bbPress. Activate it. Go to the form menu. Click Add New button and create a Q&A forum. After creating, check it on the front-end page. Create a new topic. There is a created topic and topic menu. Go to the Page menu. Open Q&A page with Elementor. Create a new section. Add a text element. As you can see, add a bbPress shortcode. Update it. Make sure the forum page has changed on front-end page. Copy the first section in the About page. Paste it on the Q&A page. Update it. Edit the title to Q&A. Let me add some margin for the Bulletin Board section. Go back to Page Editor. Like other pages, enable the transparent header option. Make sure it has changed on front-end page. Go to the menu under Appearance and add Q&A. Add new plugin called User Menus. This plugin is simple and light. Install and activate it. Go to the Page menu, and create a page named Goodbye. Page making process is the same as before, so let me show you fast forward. Add an image in Goodbye page. Let me add Welcome page as well. Go to the menu under Appearance. Select the Sign menu. Select Logged Out users from who can see this link. Then visitors who are not logged in can see this menu. This menu is hidden for logged in users. Save and check it on the front end. Let me register the Welcome page on the menu. Change the Who can see this link option to Logged in users. As you can see, change the navigation label to username in curly brackets. Then, the username of the logged in user will be displayed on menu. Let's check it on the front end. We can see the username currently logged in. Do you remember? We set redirection page after logged in. You can set the page to Welcome page, or Profile page would be a good choice. Let's log in as another user. It works well. Let's create a logout menu under Welcome page. Let's check it on the front end. As you can see, unfortunately this theme do not support secondary menu. If you can, you may use secondary menu after modifying menu CSS. It would be better idea if you can. But, I will not use the secondary menu at the moment. Let me delete the logout menu. When we making logout menu in WordPress, we always meet logout confirmation page. Because it goes to the nonce confirmation screen, I would like to fix this problem by adding a simple plugin. Search Login Logout on the plugin installation. Install the Login Logout Register menu. Go to the menu under Appearance. There is a menu provided by this plugin on the left. Add Logout. Let's check it on the front end. When we logged out immediately without a confirmation screen.